Hey guys, it's me Brooklyn, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make slime. And sorry if I turn back because my friend Sky's here. Da-da-da-da. So yes, today I'm going to trying to make a simple white glue slime with Elmer's glue. And I'm just going to be using my normal activator, and I'm also going to add some food colouring at the end, maybe? I don't know. So let's get started. So first you'll need some normal white glue. Pour it all in.
Oh, that. It's like doing fart.
Yeah. Okay, try and get at least all of it.
At least 2 of them, if you need them.
If you want to make a giant slime, use 2 of these ones because there are 253 pounder. So
Whoa.
that's pretty good. Or maybe, oh no, sorry, 225. So yes. So I'm nearly, yeah, I think that'll do. Oh, and also you'll need a mixing tool. I'm going to use the end of my knife so you can mix it. So at this time you can add your food colouring, but I'm going to
make it like your other.
I'm going to show you my slimes at the end that I've made with the glue.
And this one. And this one. Yeah.
And this one. So yeah, so I'll add the food colouring afterwards. So yeah, I'm just going I'm just screwing the lid off my activator.
Unscrewing it. And
Okay. So now I'm going to shake my bottle of activator, and you want to add little by little. So just little, and then mix, and it might start to clump up a little bit as soon as you start mixing it. See how it's starting to do that? Now you want to add a little bit more, little by little. That will slower the better, because if you add like heaps of it, it'll make it overactivated and overactivated.
yeah, like
it'll make it like rip. Yeah, like rip. So
easily, and it won't stretch at all.
yes. So keep adding that until it's not sticking to your hands. But I'm not going in my hands yet. Yes, so keep adding some more activator, and now it's starting to clump up, so that's what it looks like now. Soon I'm getting a tripod so I can use it easier, so you can see my slimes.
Oh, that's.
Sorry about that, guys. My annoying brother came in, so I had to pause it. So now it's starting to turn to slime, but I'm not going in my hands yet because I done that last time I made slime, and it got all over my hands.
And it wouldn't come off.
Yeah, and it wouldn't come off.
It wouldn't come off mine.
So I'll be back when I've made my. Okay, guys, I've finished with my slime. So now that's what it looks like so far. It's nice. I love it. So now I'm going to be showing you all my slimes. So let's get started. So the first one. Oops. The first one's in this other different container. I call
the other ones are in different.
Yeah. So this one's called the candy cane slime. So because it's got red, it's got red sparkles in it.
Isn't there red?
And then it's been used by the white glue, white Elmer's glue. So that's the candy cane slime that I made. The next one I like to call, see it's in a different container, I call it pearl slime because it was made with clear glue and it's really, really stretchy.
And it looks like pearl.
Pearl. Yeah, and it's made with this type, almost clear glue. So yeah, so that's that slime.
Whoa.
So the next slime is this ocean blue slime.
Ocean.
Now this is like butter slime. And it's probably one of my favorites, basically.
Because her favorite color is blue.
Yes. So I put blue sparkles in it, and I put blue food coloring in it, and it was made with this one.
It's
this
clear. Oh yeah.
this one was used with 2 bottles, like 2 of these blue bottles.
Really? Oh yeah, even 2.
Yes. Sky. So this last slime that I made is, I haven't got a big